So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert USDT to pound. So first of all you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that click on wallet and choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window you look for this search bar and type USDT. The first option will arrive and then choose convert. Okay guys, after coming on this window you will see this option. Now click on it and type GBP and choose this option. Now guys, you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 2 USDT, then I'll type 2 and after that click on preview conversion. So guys, it will show you how much your 2 USDT are worth in pounds. So after you are having the sufficient amount, then you can click on this button and it will convert your USDT to pounds. So guys, if you find this video helpful and interesting, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.